Students, this is Bharti Madam. We are going to start with the 12 marks problem from the topic not for profit organization. Now come to the problem. They have given you following is the balance sheet and the receipts and payments account of Durga Sports Club. Come to the problem. They have given you the balance sheet. It is the opening balance sheet. It is the balance sheet relating to the last year. They have given you liabilities side, outstanding salary. It is the salary relating to the last year. Capital fund. It is the opening capital fund. Come to the asset side. Cash balance is given and it is the opening balance of cash, and the same will be appearing in the receipts and payments account debit side as balance brought down. Outstanding subscriptions is given. It is the subscriptions relating to the last year. Sports materials are given. They are the opening sports materials of this year. Furniture is given to you. It is an asset. Come to your receipts and payments account. Subscriptions is given to you. These are the subscriptions received during the year and it is an income. Entrance fees is given to you, and in the adjustment they have told you entrance fees are to be capitalized. So it should be taken to the balance sheet under the heading capital fund. Sale of old newspapers, it is an income. It should be taken to the income and expenditure account. Sale of old sports materials, it should be taken to the income side of the income and expenditure account. Rent, it is an income, it should be taken to the income and expenditure account. Come to your payment side. They have given you the salary what you have paid during the year. Next, they have given you the purchase of the sports material. It is an asset and it should be added to the sports materials. Investments, it is an asset. Fixed deposits, it is an asset. Postage, general expenses and lighting charges, these are the expenses and it should be taken to the income and expenditure account debit side. Now come to the adjustments one by one. First adjustment is given to you. Subscriptions outstanding for the year. It is the income of this year. Subscriptions received in advance. It is the income of the next year. Depreciation sports materials. Next, capitalize entrance fees. Next, outstanding lighting charges. Now students will start with the problem. Right at the top in the books of Durga Sports Club. Next line, income and expenditure account for the year ending 31/3/2017. Get the page folded. Write DRCR. Next, draw two amounts column to both the sides. Expenditure amount, income amount. Leave 15 lines. Next, write balance sheet as on 31/12/2017. Get the page folded. Draw two amounts column to both the sides. Liabilities amount. Come to the asset side. It is wrongly printed. Write assets amount. Draw the lines for about 10 lines. Now come to the problem. Come to your balance sheet in the problem. They have given you the capital fund. Come to your balance sheet. Liabilities side. Write capital fund in the inner column 32,500. Next, come to the asset side. They have given you the sports materials. Come to your balance sheet asset side. Write sports materials inner column 16,000. Leave 3 lines. Next, write furniture. Come to your asset side. Write furniture outer column 10,000. Next, come to your receipts and payments account. They have given you the subscriptions and come to your income and expenditure account, credit side, write buy subscriptions, inner column 38,000. Now come to your balance sheet, the problem. They have given you outstanding subscriptions 1200. Come to your income and expenditure. Under the heading subscriptions, write less last year outstanding 1200. Minus it, write in the inner column 36,800. Next. For the subscriptions, I had told you to leave 5 lines. Next, entrance fees is given to you. Come to your balance sheet, liabilities side, write entrance fees under the heading capital fund in the inner column 2000. Next, there is a sale of old newspaper. Come to your income and expenditure account, credit side, write buy sale of old newspaper in the outer column 200. Next, they have given you sale of old sports material. Come to your income and expenditure account, credit side, that is the income side, write buy sale of old sports materials, outer column 1200. Next, they have given you the rent. Come to your income and expenditure account, credit side, write buy rent in the outer column 7000. Next, come to your payment side. They have given you buy salary. Come to your income and expenditure account, debit side, write to salary in the inner column. Next, come to your problem in balance sheet. They have given you outstanding salary. It is a expenditure of the last year. And come to your salary, write less last year 2000. Put an arrow, minus it, outer column 8,000. Next, they have given you the purchase of sports materials. Come to your balance sheet. Under the sports materials, write add purchase 6,000. Add it, write in the inner column 22,000. Next, they have given you the investments. Come to your asset side, write investment in the outer column and write it as 20,000. Next, they have given you the fixed deposit. Come to the asset side, write fixed deposit, outer column 10,000. Next, they have given you the postage. Come to the income and expenditure account, debit side, write to postage, outer column 300. Next, they have given you the general expenses. Come to your income and expenditure account, debit side, write general expenses, outer column 400. Next, they have given you lighting charges. Come to your income and expenditure account, debit side, write 2 lighting charges, inner column 1300. There is an adjustment for it. Next, they have given you balance carried down. Come to your asset side balance sheet, write cash balance, outer column 7,700. Now, come to your adjustment one by one. The first adjustment is relating to subscriptions outstanding. Come to your income side, write add outstanding subscription 3,000. Add it, still write in the inner column. And that outstanding subscription is a asset for you. Come to the asset side of the balance sheet, write it as outstanding subscription 3,000. Next, second adjustment, subscriptions received in advance, that is the next year income. Come to your subscriptions, less advance, write it in the inner column 1000. Minus it, put an arrow, outer column 38,800. Whenever you have received any income in advance, it is a liability. Come to the liability side balance sheet, Subscriptions received in advance 1000. Next, they have told you depreciate sports materials rupees 5000. Come to your expenditure. Income and expenditure account debit side, write depreciation sports materials, outer column 5000. Now come to your sports materials asset side balance sheet. Write less depreciation 5000. Put an arrow minus it, outer column 17000. Next, capitalize entrance fees. Come to your capital fund. We have already written add entrance fees to the capital fund. Next, outstanding lighting charges. Come to your expenditure side. For the lighting charges, write add outstanding 300. Add it, outer column 1600. It is a liability. Come to your liabilities side. Write outstanding lighting charges 300 in the outer column. Now come to your income and expenditure account. Leave one line to both the sides. Total the credit. It is 47,200. Write the same to the debit. 47,200. Put in your calculator 47,200. Minus 8,000. Minus 300. Minus 400. Minus 1,600. Minus 5,000. The difference you get is 31,900. And that is the surplus. It should be taken to the liabilities side of the balance sheet under the heading Capital Fund. Come to your liabilities side under the heading Capital Fund, right? Add surplus 31,900. Add it right in the outer column 66,400. Now come to your balance sheet. Draw the lines to both the sides, close it. Total the asset side. It is 67,700. Total the liabilities side. It is 67,700. Now the balance sheet agrees. It means it tallies. And the problem what you have done is correct.